We're in the Synergy Center forest. You can see that the leaves are starting to dry up. For the last month, 6 weeks, it's been beautiful in the forest with all the different color of the leaves painting the ground. Now the colors are starting to fade and the leaves are all becoming the same brownish earth color. Soon the snow's going to start to fall and this forest is going to be transformed again into something spectacular. And that's when we're going to start having our weekend retreats up here, where people are going to be blown away by what we've created in the Haliburton Highlands. Beautiful place for people to come stay, take a nature walk through the forest, be on a lake, be with nature, and in a powerful conversation that's going to transform ways of being and acting that allow for highest level of performance, amazing communication, and powerful leadership. What does all that have to do with the forest and fading leaves? Stay tuned to find out.